My revenue numbers have just come in for YouTube for the last day. And so I'm going to show you how I keep track of them using YouTube Studio and using a spreadsheet. And the reason I do that is that then when I improve my reach, improve my impressions, get more views, then that will increase the ad revenue. So let's take a look. I'll show you where I can see this in YouTube Studio. So when I log into YouTube Studio, I can go into the analytics and then I can see my total estimated revenue. This is for the last 28 days. And I can click on here, revenue. And what I get to see here is this is over 28 days. So you can see today at the moment is October 2022. Sorry, it's October the 24th here in Sydney. But in YouTube land, so YouTube uses Pacific Standard Time. It is Friday, October the 23rd. I've just seen the statistics have just come through for Thursday night. So that's $28.26. So I'll just show you the time here in Pacific Standard Time is actually, so that's 5:21 p.m. Friday. It's actually 4:21 p.m. Friday. So 4 o'clock in the afternoon, the stats have come through for the previous day. That's, as I say, Pacific Standard Time. Now, what do I do with all of this? Well, actually, I have a spreadsheet here, and it depends on just how geeky you want to get with all of this. But I have a spreadsheet here, and I show the day of the month. So I've got these totals for September and for October. So September, you can see, let me show you what I've got. I've got impressions. So that's basically how many times my YouTube thumbnails have appeared somewhere. How many people actually clicked on them? Well, that comes down to your total views, okay? And so people might see the thumbnail, but they may not click on it. But those who click, okay, that's a view. And then the monetized playback. So that's actually ad revenue. Now you can see that that's all 000 until September 17th, because that's when I turned on ads. That's when I got monetized. And on my very first day, I got $21. And you can see how much I got each day. I'll show you in the YouTube analytics. I'll show you where we see all of these numbers. And so I basically add up all of these. You can see that Saturdays are always slower days for me. And so we'll add up all of these numbers and work out the average, okay? So I know that in September I made $276.45. Let me show you that in analytics here. If I go to if I go just to September 2020, and I can see it's $276.44. Okay, there's a rounding error there, but it's $276.44. So I get to see how much revenue I'm making each day. These dips are always weekends, okay? And the reason for that is that my revenue on weekends, my channel on weekends doesn't do anywhere near as well because it's about Zoom mainly. And who cares about looking good on Zoom on the weekend? October revenue, I get to see that. That's 426. So let's have a look at the October revenue, and then I'll jump back into the spreadsheet. And so I can see consistently just how much money I've made. So this grey line here is $20. So you can see that that's growing nicely now, starting to increase. And that's no surprise because some of those older videos are now getting traction and getting me more and more subscribers, which is wonderful. So let me jump into the statistic, into the spreadsheet, and I'll go into October. So what I get to see, what I'm keeping track of is my subscriber growth, how many subscribers I've got. Now they're not all new subscribers here. I might get, let's say I had 13 new subscribers on Friday, but then one person unsubscribed, so that's a net value of 12. Okay, where do I see that? Once again, in my YouTube channel, over to here, over to the analytics, and I get to see the subscriber count there for a particular day, 8 11, 12, 14, 16. So 16 up to Thursday. So I just keep track of that. That's actually less important to me these days, the number of subscribers. My subscriber count is just growing very nicely, and it's up to 1,533, and it's just growing anyway, which is great. Impressions, so that's how many people actually see my thumbnails. And I have got, so you can see that I'm getting an average of somewhere around 17, 18, 19,000 impressions every day. Weekends, once again, are very much lower. And therefore, that turns into views. And then basically, how many views, we can turn that into ad revenue. So let me pump in the numbers. Let me type in the numbers that I've got from from Thursday, October 22. So I've got $28.26, that's US. So as I type in that number here, $28.26, it will change this month to date total to $426.67. So that's over 22 days. And then I've got some ad revenue totals here. And what that does, so that 236 is subscriber growth. So that's the total number of subscribers, which you can see here in September. Let me go to my ad revenue totals. So October, once again, I can see that I'm up to 276 subscribers in October. 260, there's actually another few that have come in from October the 23rd, from Friday. And I also get to see the total revenue, and it's worked out how many revenue days. So I'm edging up to very, very close to $20 a day average. And so that's good. That's steady, and it's actually going to grow. So that projected monthly, if I take my daily average and multiply it by 30, or in fact I multiply it by 365 days and divide it by 12, and then I'm projecting that it's going to be at least annual revenue at the moment is $7,078. Now I actually even go to the point of actually translating that, of converting that into Australian dollars using the Google Finance currency, convert from USD to AUD. And so I'm nearly almost at a 5-figure business in Australian dollars. Okay, so I know I got really, really geeky here, but some people really, really love to go into the analytics. And so I just wanted to show you the impact of how the improving my video reach, improving the number of impressions, improving the thumbnails and so on, converts into views, which converts into monetized playbacks, basically ad revenue that gets paid out, or gets calculated, and it will get paid out, I think, in the second week of the next month, if I've got all my Google AdSense stuff all set up.